Okay, let's get straight to it. First, prepare the Microsoft Word table that we will make the text centered. The method is, select or mark the text that we will change the position to be in the middle. Actually, we can make the text centered by selecting the alignment center in the Home menu. However, we can make advanced settings for the alignment in the Layout menu. There you can set the position of the text with the 6 alignments provided. For the center alignment, you can choose the position of the text center top, center middle, and center bottom. Choose according to what is needed. That's how to make the text centered in a Microsoft Word table. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for you. See you in the next video.